Hey, this is Josh from One Tech Stop here at the OnePlus 6T launch event in New York City. And I'm here looking at the OnePlus 6T. And honestly, it feels pretty nice in the hand. I'm personally not a fan of notches, but it's not the most intrusive notch. But the biggest letdown's gotta be the lack of headphone jack anywhere. I'm not a person who don't use wired headphones that often, but it's nice to have the option. But honestly, like, it's a fast interface. I hope you can turn the gestures off. I'm not a fan of gestures either. And honestly, it's just a great phone in hand. I personally I like the matte black a little bit more than the mirror black that was just announced. And that's it. Thank you for watching.